Marathon. The marathon is a long-distance foot race with an official distance of 42.195 kilometers that is usually run as a road race. Skiing. Skiing is a group of sports using skis as equipment for traveling over snow. Skis are used in conjunction with boots that connect to the sky with use of a binding. Tennis. Tennis is a sport usually played between two players or between two teams of two players each. Each player uses a strung racket to strike a hollow rubber ball covered with a felt over a net into the opponent's court. Here are some sports which are included in the Olympics. Weightlifting. Olympic weightlifting, also called Olympic style weightlifting or weightlifting, is a sport in which participants attempt a maximum weight single lift of a barbell loaded with weight plates. Beach volleyball. It is an Olympic team sport played on sand. Like other variations of volleyball, two teams separated by a high net try to score points against the other by grounding a ball on the other team's court. Triathlon. A triathlon is a multi-sport endurance event consisting of swimming, cycling and running in immediate succession over various distances. Fencing. Fencing is a family of sports and activities that feature armed combat involving cutting, stabbing, weapons that are directly manipulated by hand rather than short positioned. Kayaking. Kayaking is the use of a kayak for moving across water. Kayaking is generally differentiated from canoeing by the sitting position of the paddler and the number of blades on the paddle. Taekwondo. It is a Korean martial art and the national sport of South Korea. Taekwondo may be loosely translated as the way of the foot and feast or the way of kicking and punching. Wrestling. Wrestling is an ancient martial art that uses different techniques of attacking the opponent. A wrestling bout is a physical competition generally between two people who attempts to gain and maintain a superior position. Butterfly style swimming. The course must be completed entirely in the butterfly style, in which the swimmer brings both hands over their head close to the water, breathing forward. All end walls must be touched with two hands and the swimmer will be disqualified if his or her arms do not clear the water at the same time. Ice hockey. Ice hockey is a team sport played on ice in which skaters use sticks to direct a puck into the opposing team's goal. It is a fast-paced and physical sport. Cups and competitions. Some competitions are for just one sport, like the Australian Open, which is for tennis. Some include many sports like the Olympics. Asian Games. These games were first held in 1951 in New Delhi, India. Also called the Asiad. Athletes from all over Asia participate. They are held every 4 years. Tour de France. This is a long-distance cycling competition held in and around France. It is held every year in July and is one of the largest sporting events in the world. Its name means Tour de France in French. A famous champion is Lance Armstrong of the US, who has won the competition many times. Commonwealth Games. Top athletes from Commonwealth countries take part in these games. Most of the Olympic sports are included in these games. They are held every 4 years. Tennis Grand Slam. This is achieved by winning not one but a group of 4 important international championships: Wimbledon, the Australian Open, the French Open, and the US Open. Winning all 4 in the same calendar year is called a true Grand Slam. Winning the Grand Slam as well as the Olympics gold for tennis is called the Golden Slam. This has been achieved so far only by Steffi Graf in 1988. FIFA World Cup. This football competition is the most widely viewed competition in the world. It is organized by Federation International de Football Association or FIFA, which is the sports governing body. The finals are held every 4 years. Summer Olympics. These games are held every 4 years. An Olympic victory is considered extremely prestigious for any sportsperson. Winter Olympics. These are the winter counterpart to the Summer Olympics. The sports are held on ice or snow. The games are held every 4 years, 2 years after each Summer Olympics. Cricket World Cup. This championship, where the teams play one-day matches, takes place every 4 years. The 10 test-playing nations as well as a few others participate. F1. This annual championship is the most expensive sport in the world. It consists of many car races, each called a Grand Prix. There is a World Constructors' Championship and a World Drivers' Championship. Ferrari and Michael Schumacher, respectively, were the champions for 2003. Martial arts are a group of combat techniques which originally developed in Asia. Many countries have developed their own native form of martial arts. Karate. It is a martial art developed in the Ryukyu Islands from indigenous fighting methods called Chinese Kenpo. Karate is a striking art using punching, kicking, knee and elbow strikes and open-handed techniques. Kung Fu. It consists of a number of fighting styles that were developed over the centuries. Those fighting styles can be classified according to common themes of martial art. Each fighting style offers a different approach to the common problems of self-defense, health, and self-cultivation from a Chinese perspective. Athletics, also known as track and field, consists of many events which involve either running, jumping, or throwing. Sprint. Foot speed or sprint speed is the maximum speed at which a human can run. It is affected by many factors, varies greatly throughout the population, and is important in athletics and many sports such as football, rugby, and American football. Hurdles. Hurdling is a type of track and field race. There are sprint hurdle races and long hurdle races. The standard sprint hurdle race is 110 meters for men and 100 meters for women. The standard long hurdle race is 400 meters for both men and women. Each of these races is run over 10 hurdles. Steeplechase. The steeplechase is a form of horse racing and derives its name from early races in which orientation of the course was by reference to a church steeple, jumping fences and ditches, and generally traversing the many intervening obstacles in the countryside. Long jump. The long jump is an athletic event in which athletes combine speed, strength, and agility in an attempt to leap as far from the take-off point as possible. Triple jump. The triple jump is a track and field sport similar to the long jump but involving a hop, step and jump routine whereby the competitor runs down the track and performs a hop, a step and then a jump into the sand pit. Javelin. A javelin is a light spear designed primarily for casting as a ranged weapon. The javelin is almost always thrown by hand, unlike the arrow and slingshot, which are projectiles shot from a mechanism. However, hurling devices do exist to assist the thrower in achieving greater distance. Shot put. The shot put is an athletics event involving putting a heavy metal ball as far as possible. It is common to use the term shot put to refer to both the shot itself and to the throwing motion. Race walk. Race walk is a long-distance athletic event. Although it is a foot race, it is different from running in that one foot must appear to be in contact with the ground at all times. Awards for sports. The Golden Shoe Award. It goes to the top goal scorer of the FIFA World Cup. The award was introduced at the 1930 World Cup. The award is given to the top scorers in the tournament. The Davis Cup. It is the premier international team event in men's tennis. This is the biggest annual international team competition in tennis. The Swaddling Cup. This competition is international table tennis competition, with each country fielding a team of 3 players. The exact format of competition has changed over the years. The PGA Tour. It is an organization that operates the main professional golf tours in the United States. It is headquartered in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, a suburb of Jacksonville. Its name is officially rendered in all capital letters as PGA Tour. The FEI World Cup. Show Jumping Final. It's an annual international competition among the world's best show jumping horses and riders. The series, created in 1978, today comprises 14 leagues on all continents. The Uber Cup. It is sometimes called the World Team Championships for Women, is a major international badminton competition contested by women's national badminton teams. First held in 1956 to 1957 and contested at 3-year intervals. It has been contested every 2 years since 1984. Board games. Some games are played on board. The board can be made from wood, paper or cloth. Scrabble. Scrabble is a word game in which 2 to 4 players score points by forming words from individual lettered tiles on a game board marked with a 15 by 15 grid. The words are formed across and down in crossword fashion and must appear in a standard dictionary. Chess. Chess is a board game played between 2 players. It is played on a chessboard, which is a square checkered board with 64 squares arranged in an 8 by 8 grid. Monopoly. Monopoly is a board game published by Parker Brothers, a subsidiary of Hasbro. The game is named after the economic concept of monopoly, the domination of a market by a single entity. Monopoly is the most commercially successful board game in United States history. Ludo. It is a simple board game of 2 to 4 players in which the players raise their 4 tokens from start to finish according to dice rolls. The game is a simplification of the traditional Indian cross and circle game Pahzi. Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a board game that can be played by 2 to 6 people. It is a variant of Halma. The objective of the game is to place one's piece in the corner opposite their starting position of a pitted hexagram by single moves or jumps over other pieces. Snakes and ladders. Snakes and ladders or Chutis and ladders is a classic children's board game. It is played between 2 or more players on a playing board with numbered grid squares. Pictionary. Pictionary is a guessing word game first published in 1985. The game is played with teams with players trying to identify specific words from their teammates' drawings. Carom. Carom or caroms is a family of tabletop games sharing a similarity in that their mechanics lie somewhere between billiards and table shuffleboard. The game has various names around the world, including carom, caron, and finger billiards. Famous artist. The work of some artists is so outstanding that it becomes famous the world over. People are willing to pay high sums for them, and museums pride themselves at owning their work. Jamini Roy. Jamini Roy was born in 1887 in a small village called Chandar in the district of Bankura in Bengal. When he was 16, he was sent to study at the Government School of Art in Calcutta. He was taught to paint in the prevailing academic tradition, drawing classical nudes and painting in oils, and in 1908 he received his diploma in fine art. M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain is one of India's best known artists and has worked over a career of over 7 decades. According to Forbes magazine, he has been called the Picasso of India. Vincent van Gogh. Vincent William van Gogh was a Dutch post-impressionist painter whose work had a far-reaching influence on 20th century art for its vivid colors and emotional impact. Auguste Rodin. Auguste Rodin was a French sculptor. Although Rodin is generally considered the progenitor of modern sculpture, he did not set out to rebel against the past. Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish painter, draughtsman and sculptor. He is one of the most recognized figures in the 20th century art. He is best known for co-founding the Cubist movement and for the wide variety of styles embodied in his work.